NgoLwesithathu uBrigadier Lisiba Mokoena wayethe yena akakaze abe yingxenye yegroup yaku-WhatsApp okwakudingidwa kuyo ukugasela emzini kaKatiso Molefe ngesikhathi eboshwa mhla ziyisithupha kuZibandlela wango-2024.
I never participated on this group chat. If the commissioner can check on page 1 of BK1, the WhatsApp that I sent to Captain Kruger was direct from me to him, not on the group. So I never participated on the group chat that was run on the particular day.
Kodwa-ke namhlanje buningi ubufakazi obuzwakala ebushayisana nobakhe kulesi sigcawu nokuphoqa ikhomishana ukuthi imcele ukuba abuyele kuyo ntambama khona namhlanje ezocacisa ngezitatimende zakhe wala waphetha.
The commissioners want Brigadier Mokoena to come back. Is it possible for him to come back this afternoon?
Chair, the indication from Brigadier Mokoena in our engagements with him over the weekend is that he would prefer not to return to the Commission at this stage until he has considered legal advice.
Oyingxenye yethimba lama-Hawks nowayekhona ngesikhathi kuyogaselwa emzini kaMolefe, uWarrant Officer Sabelo Nkosi utshele ikhomishana ukuthi wadideka ngesikhathi uLisiba Mokoena ethi abanikele ngokushesha emzini kaMolefe ngoba ngokwakhe lokho kwakungeyona into ephuthumayo.
Can you tell us why you found it strange?
Yeah, firstly, for the reason why I have to go, what I have to do there, where he sent me the address, compared to this life-threatening operation that we are going to. A normal person, a reasonable person, let me put it like that, a reasonable person would have thought that no, the priority here is this life-threatening operation.
Uthi okwamcasula kakhulu ukuthi ngisho sebezibonela ukuthi lo msebenzi awukho phakathi kokufa nokuphila kodwa-ke abakaze batshela ukuthi behoxe bebuyele emuva njengama-Hawks.
To me, it irritated me more.
Why?
Because now where we have arrived here, we receive a message that this is a legit, while coming, we'll receive a message. That message was a hint. It is a legit message of the SAPS. I arrive there, I see the car of the SAPS. I go to the gate, I see people wearing, you can see these people, they are police officers. What more now need to be verified?
Isiccawu sizoqhubeka kusasa.